Are you constantly feeling like there aren't enough hours in the day? What if we told you there's a way to buy back your time and dramatically increase your productivity? In this video, we'll reveal 15 surprising strategies that successful people use to reclaim their precious hours. You might be shocked to learn how much time you're wasting on tasks that could be easily outsourced or eliminated. If you don't watch till the end, you might miss out on the one tip that could revolutionize your daily routine and skyrocket your success. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on more life-changing advice. 1. Skip the queue, the time-saving power of priority passes. Say goodbye to endless waiting times. Invest in priority passes for everything from airport security to theme parks. For instance, TSA PreCheck can save frequent flyers hours each year. Even local businesses often offer skip-the-line options for a small fee. Remember, your time is valuable. Treat it as such. 2. Advance payments. Streamline your finances. Take control of your financial obligations by paying in advance. Set up annual subscriptions for services you use regularly, like streaming platforms or gym memberships. Not only does this save time on monthly payments, but it often comes with discounts. For example, many insurance companies offer significant savings for paying premiums annually instead of monthly. 3. Bulk buying, the art of efficient shopping. Transform your shopping habits by buying in bulk. Stock up on non-perishable items and household essentials. This strategy not only saves time, but often money too. Consider joining wholesale clubs like Costco or Sam's Club for even greater savings and convenience. 4. Cleaning services. Invest in a spotless home and peace of mind. Hiring a professional cleaning service can be a game changer. It's not just about having a clean home. It's about freeing up your mental energy and time for more important tasks. Many busy professionals find that the cost is well worth the time and stress saved. Look into local cleaning services or apps like Handy for flexible options. 5. Mentorship. Fast-track your success. Invest in coaches and mentors to accelerate your personal and professional growth. Their experience can help you avoid common pitfalls and reach your goals faster. For example, many successful entrepreneurs credit their rapid growth to guidance from industry veterans. Consider joining professional organizations or seeking out mentorship programs in your field. 6. Outsource expertise. Focus on your strengths. Recognize when to delegate tasks that fall outside your expertise. Hire professionals like accountants, lawyers, or specialized consultants for complex matters. This not only saves time, but often money in the long run by avoiding costly mistakes. For instance, a good accountant can save you hours of frustration and potentially thousands in taxes. 7. Personal fitness. Optimize your health routine. Engage a personal trainer or chef to streamline your fitness and nutrition goals. These professionals can create tailored plans that maximize results while minimizing your time investment. Many celebrities credit their rapid physical transformations to personalized fitness and meal plans. Look into local personal training services or meal prep companies for options. 8. Strategic living. Minimize commute time. Consider relocating closer to your workplace or transitioning to remote work. The time saved on commuting can be substantial, often hours each day. This extra time can be reinvested in personal development, family, or passion projects. Many companies now offer remote work options, making this strategy more accessible than ever. 9. Task delegation. Focus on high-value activities. Outsource repetitive or low-value tasks to free up your time and mental energy for more important work. This could include hiring a virtual assistant for administrative tasks or using services like TaskRabbit for errands. Many successful entrepreneurs swear by delegation as a key to scaling their businesses and personal productivity. 10. Create boundaries. Protect your focused time. Learn to make yourself unavailable when you need to focus. This might mean setting specific office hours for meetings, using Do Not Disturb settings on your devices, or creating a dedicated workspace. Many high performers use techniques like the Pomodoro method to structure their focused work time. 11. Schedule. Downtime. Protect your recharge time. Actively schedule time for rest and relaxation in your calendar. Treat this time as seriously as you would any other appointment. This practice helps prevent burnout and actually increases overall productivity. Many successful CEOs, like Bill Gates, are known for scheduling regular think weeks to recharge and innovate. 12. Minimize distractions. Cultivate deep focus. Create an environment conducive to deep work by eliminating distractions. Use apps to block social media during work hours, invest in noise-cancelling headphones, or designate a distraction-free workspace. Companies like Google and Facebook have created focus rooms in their offices to support this practice. 13. Energy management. Align tasks with your peak hours. Identify your most productive hours and schedule your most important tasks during this time. For many, this is early morning, but it varies by individual. Use tools like Rescue Time to track your productivity patterns and optimize your schedule accordingly. 14. Batch similar tasks. Harness the power of momentum. Group similar activities together to minimize context switching and maximize efficiency. For example, handle all your emails in one dedicated block or schedule all your meetings back-to-back. Many productivity experts, like Tim Ferriss, advocate for this approach to streamline workflow and boost productivity. 15. Leverage intensity. Embrace focused work sprints. Consider adopting a more intense work schedule with longer breaks. Some find that 3 fully packed workdays are more productive than 5 moderate ones. This approach, similar to the concept of sprint weeks used in software development, can lead to higher quality output and more genuine downtime. Bonus tip: value your time highly. Imagine your time is worth an exorbitant amount, say $10,000 per hour. This mental exercise can help you quickly identify and eliminate low-value activities from your schedule. It's a powerful way to refocus on what truly matters and maximize your productivity. Implementing these strategies can dramatically increase your available time and productivity. If you're intrigued by the prospect of achieving financial freedom and maximizing your potential, don't stop here. Our channel is packed with videos that delve deeper into these concepts and reveal surprising insights about success and wealth creation. Keep watching to uncover more secrets that could transform your life and set you on the path to unprecedented achievement.